Kale can regulate your blood sugar. Kale, known scientifically as Brassica oleracea, is a leafy green vegetable that has gained immense popularity in recent years due to its numerous health benefits. One of the most notable benefits of kale is its ability to regulate sugar levels in the body. This essay will explore how kale can help in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels and managing diabetes. First and foremost, kale is an excellent source of dietary fiber. Fiber plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of carbohydrates. This means that consuming foods high in fiber, such as kale, can prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar levels and provide a steady release of glucose into the bloodstream. Additionally, kale is a low glycemic food, meaning it has a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. Unlike foods with high glycemic index, GI, that quickly raise blood sugar levels, kale has a low GI, making it an ideal choice for individuals looking to manage their sugar intake. By incorporating kale into their diet, individuals can maintain steady blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of developing insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, kale is packed with an array of vitamins and minerals that contribute to its sugar-regulating properties. One of these vital nutrients is magnesium. Magnesium is known for its role in promoting insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to effectively utilize glucose and maintain stable blood sugar levels. Kale is an excellent source of magnesium, making it an ideal addition to a balanced diet for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Moreover, kale contains high levels of antioxidants, such as alpha-lipoic acid, ALA. ALA has been found to improve insulin sensitivity, reduce oxidative stress, and decrease inflammation in individuals with diabetes. By incorporating kale into their diet, individuals can harness the benefits of ALA and reduce the risk of developing complications associated with high blood sugar levels, such as cardiovascular diseases and neuropathy. In addition to its numerous health benefits, kale is also a versatile ingredient that can be easily incorporated into various dishes. Whether sautéed, steamed, or added to smoothies, kale can be enjoyed in numerous ways. This versatility allows individuals to experiment with different recipes and find enjoyable ways to include this nutritious vegetable into their diet regularly. Furthermore, kale is an affordable and widely available vegetable. It can be found in most grocery stores and farmers markets throughout the year. This accessibility ensures that individuals can easily access kale to reap its benefits and incorporate it into their diet, regardless of their location or economic situation. In conclusion, kale is an exceptional vegetable that has powerful sugar-regulating properties. Its high fiber content, low glycemic index, and rich nutrient profile make it an ideal addition to a balanced diet for those looking to regulate their blood sugar levels effectively. By consuming kale regularly, individuals can reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, manage their blood sugar levels, and improve their overall health. So why not give this leafy green a try and enjoy the taste and nutritional benefits that kale has to offer? I hope you found this video on kale lowering your blood sugar to be helpful. If so, don't forget to hit the like button. For more information on kale, kale diets, kale recipes, and healthy eating tips with kale, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.